Alright, I've opened this image in Camera Raw first of all, just because I've noticed that the whites of her eyes are blue, and so I'm going to grab Camera Raw's white balance tool and click on the eyes where they are blue, maybe a couple of different places just to see what I get here. I want to look just a little more normal. You can tell this is an underexposed image right off the bat, so adjust that a little bit. We can't bring back the whites too much, but that looks a little better. Whoa. Undo. And I think I'll take the vibrance down just a little bit. She looks a little oversaturated. Trying to adjust for skin color there so it looks normal, and then I will open it up in Photoshop. Let's press Command or Control 0 to bring the size up to fill the screen here. And let's look at some ways that we could soften the pores and the skin just a little bit. One thing that we can do, let's make a copy of this layer by dragging it down onto the new layer icon, and we'll go into Filter, Blur, and Surface Blur, and I'm just trying to take away some of that in there. Alright, so we've overdone it a little bit, but that's alright. We can come here now and decrease the opacity just a little bit to bring some of that texture back in. I'm running about 60% here, so with that layer off and that layer on, you can tell quite a difference, and yet we haven't lost all the texture there. One of the things that we do want to do is put a mask on this layer, and then using black paint we want to paint over the eyes, the eyebrows, and areas that we didn't want that extreme blurring, like in the hair up there, and bring back some of that texture. But that looks a lot better